The BISSELL BigGreen BGU1937T 13.5-inch Pro Cup Bagless Upright Vacuum is designed for heavy-duty cleaning, tackling everything from carpets to bare floors and upholstery with ease. This vacuum combines powerful suction, a bagless system, and onboard tools to provide a versatile, user-friendly cleaning experience. The first thing you'll notice is its sturdy build. Made with durable polypropylene, it's engineered to withstand regular use in commercial and residential settings. The 44-inch height is ideal for standing comfortably while cleaning, and the 13.5-inch wide cleaning path means you'll cover more ground with each pass, making it a great choice for larger spaces. Its large-capacity Pro Cup dirt container allows for less frequent emptying, which is perfect for those who don't want to stop mid-cleaning to empty the bin. A notable feature of the BigGreen BGU1937T is the onboard tools, which include a crevice tool, combination dusting brush, upholstery tool, and an extension wand. These tools conveniently store in the back of the vacuum, so they're always within reach for quick and easy access. The 30-foot power cord offers excellent reach, giving you plenty of space to clean larger areas without needing to plug and unplug. And if the cord ever gets damaged, the vacuum's pigtail cord clamp allows you to replace it without the need for costly repairs, a clever feature that adds to the vacuum's long-term usability. One of the most important aspects to consider with any vacuum is its performance across different floor types. The BISSELL BigGreen Pro Cup handles both carpet and bare floors with ease, thanks to its 5-position height adjustment. This allows you to tailor the vacuum's performance to your specific needs. Whether you're cleaning low-pile carpet, thick rugs, or smooth hardwood, the powerful suction ensures that dirt, debris, and pet hair are effectively removed from all surfaces, while the washable filters help to maintain airflow and suction power over time. In real-world testing, the vacuum performs well in all the areas it promises to excel. Whether you're tackling fine dust on hard floors or working to lift stubborn dirt and pet hair from carpets, it delivers solid results. The onboard tools come in handy for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors, making it a versatile option for a range of cleaning needs. Its relatively large size can make it a bit more cumbersome to move around tight spaces, but the long cord and ease of maneuverability on open floors offset this minor inconvenience. The BISSELL BigGreen is also a surprisingly quiet vacuum, which is a welcome feature for those who are sensitive to noise. The 5-position height adjustment is easy to use and ensures that you can transition from different flooring types with minimal hassle. The vacuum's durability is another standout feature, with the high-quality polypropylene construction ensuring it can withstand long-term use in a variety of environments. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the BigGreen offers excellent suction, its relatively large size and weight can make it less ideal for those who need a lightweight option for quick daily cleaning. It's a bit bulkier compared to some other upright models, which could be a drawback if you have a smaller home or limited storage space. Another minor downside is the size of the dirt container. While it's large compared to many other bagless vacuums, it can fill up quickly in larger homes, meaning you'll need to empty it more often than you'd expect. When it comes to value for money, the BISSELL BigGreen BGU1937T sits at a mid-range price point. For the price, you're getting a vacuum that offers both power and durability, along with the convenience of onboard tools and a large dirt container. It's not the cheapest model on the market, but considering its performance across various surfaces, its robust build, and the handy features like the replaceable power cord, it's certainly a solid investment for households that need a reliable, versatile vacuum cleaner. If you're comparing it to other similar models, the BISSELL BigGreen stands out for its bagless design and long cord. For example, the Shark Navigator Professional is another solid upright vacuum, but it lacks the same durability and large dirt container capacity. If you're looking at similar vacuums with onboard tools, the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 high capacity may be worth considering. But again, the BISSELL has an edge with its replaceable cord system and more rugged construction. In terms of build quality, the BISSELL BigGreen feels sturdy and well built. The polypropylene body is tough, and the components like the brush roll and hose are designed to be easy to maintain. While long-term data is still limited on this specific model, Bissell has a reputation for producing durable vacuums, and this model seems to follow suit. Maintenance is straightforward, with washable filters that can be cleaned easily, and the design is user-friendly when it comes to clearing blockages or emptying the dustbin. When it comes to customer support, Bissell is known for offering responsive and helpful assistance. If you run into any issues with the vacuum, their customer service team is generally quick to resolve problems and offer solutions. The 1-year warranty provides peace of mind in case something goes wrong, though given the vacuum's sturdy design, major issues are unlikely to arise. For those looking for an efficient, powerful, and easy-to-maintain upright vacuum, the BISSELL BigGreen BGU1937T is a solid choice. It's perfect for homes with a mix of flooring types, pet owners, or anyone who needs a heavy-duty cleaner that can tackle a variety of tasks. The replaceable cord, large dirt container, and onboard tools all make it an excellent value for the price. While it's not the lightest vacuum out there, its performance and durability make up for that, making it a great option for those who prioritize cleaning power over portability. If you're interested, the link to this product is in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts on the BISSELL BigGreen if you already own one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to clean up the mess, both in your home and on your search for the best vacuum.